I learned how to code a robot, and that's a new experience for me.
We did some engineering. It gave me a chance to collaborate with my friends.
It's important to bring corporations into schools because we need to bridge the gap from education to the real world.
Let's Localize is a beautiful tech for good digital platform with an intent to bring lots of corporates together on the same platform where they can offer their expertise, work experience, knowledge of the technology, environmental topics as well.
We love getting involved in because we know the impact that this can have on the students now and for preparing them for the futures.
And the more we learn, the more we can use in real life. So if we learn this could give us new job opportunities.
Most of the corporates that we work with love the fact that they can come on Let's Localize and are able to reach individuals who actually need help.
It's an experience we as educators cannot provide for these children without the support of the corporate world.
I want to be a scientist, so it can help me later on when I get to secondary school.
Skills like creativity, problem solving, communication, it's those skills that are going to be vital for them to prepare them for their futures no matter what they go into.
I can look back on what we've done here to help prepare me for the real world.
The impact it's had on these children has been amazing.
I think it's a fantastic organisation to be able to facilitate and link schools with industry partners is something that perhaps on our own we wouldn't be able to do.
It's not only about the subjects that we learn in school, it's also about our daily lives and what we could do to help the environment. And we see how we're much more capable than we think we are.